Everyone, it's the 16th of May and here's the video. We've just got the usual layout, the 10-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, the 2-hour chart and the daily chart. So the plan for today is basically a dip down from this 6125 area where we've got the 200 EMA, which is this orange line, down towards the daily pivot, which is at 6,100 to start with. And the coral area, we've got this green rising coral, 6092 support. And that's looking like a fairly key area for support. If that breaks, then I think we'll see 6060, which was Friday's low, and then possibly lower. We've got Bianca channel support at 6040 and also down at 5984. So if the bears really go for it today, we may see that area. However, Asia was bullish today, and the ASX 200, the Australian index, was fairly bullish as well. So I think if we do get an initial dip, we may well get a rise up towards the 6184 area where we've got R2. There's also a cluster of daily resistance levels at between 6180 and 6200. So the bulls might struggle a little bit to break that level. So hence the initial dip, a rise and then a dip again from that 6185-ish area. So if I just go to the 2-hour chart, and you can see it's still bearish. We've got the red coral line. The moving averages are still bearish. We dropped off this 100 hull moving average here on Friday. That's the 6130 resistance area. So yes, we spiked above it, but you can see that we did drop back from it down towards 6090. We've come back up and we've tested this coral line again. So it's still acting as resistance basically. So the bulls will need to break that 6127 level initially for a push up to 6180. If they don't, then as I said, I think we'll be heading down. So the daily chart, just to make that bigger, we're sort of in the middle of the RAF channels at the moment. However, up here for today, we've got a few resistances. We've got the 25 EMA, which is this purple line. That's at 6187. We've got the 10-day RAF, 6182, and then we've got the 20-day RAF at 6197, something like that. And then above all of them, we've got this 200 EMA, which is the orange line, 6232 for that level there. So, as I said, we've got a cluster of resistances between 6180, 6200. So definitely worth watching that level as a fairly key level today. So that's it really. So back to the 30-minute chart. Obviously, since I sent the email, we have actually had that little dip off of the 6127 area, the 200 EMA. Support now is at this 6111 area. We've got the 25 EMA here. But, you know, first thing on a Monday, it's going to be a little bit choppy when the market opens in 3 minutes' time. So we'll see. We'll see if we get that little bit of a drop and then a bounce. But certainly those are the levels that I'm looking at today. 60.92 initially to hold a support. And then good shorts and probably swing shorts, to be honest, up at 6185 to 6,200. So good luck, everyone, and thanks for watching.